Righto, this is just going to be a quick video on how to explore your model using the perspective feature and then how to export a image from that. So you can go between a 2D and a 3D image quite easily. Now normally we're in this mode here with a little house. What I'd like you to do is click on perspective and then you click on the little man. If you can't click on the man, it's because you haven't clicked on perspective. When you click on that, you'll be prompted by this little pop-up box. You can say do not show this information next time, but I've got a bit of a bad memory, so I'll keep it popping up so that I remember the keys until I get really good at it. So I just go explore 3D, and basically imagine that it's sort of like a bit of a video game, I guess. As you move your mouse from left to right, that's your head where you're looking at. I think if I press W, I'll walk forward, and then it's just a matter of turning my mouse to see where I would like to walk to. So if I want to walk to this corner of the room, I face that direction, and then I press W. A is sideways, S is backwards, D is back the other way. Spacebar is up. Just got to remember what down is. C is down. Okay. Or alternatively, I could look up and then press W. Have a play around. I'm sure you kids that do a lot of gaming will figure it out pretty quick. So it's fun to walk around your house and all that sort of stuff, but there's actually a use for it. We can go to the side here and say we wanted to have a perspective in our assignment showing what it would look like to stand inside the room and look out over our view. And we could make this a lot nicer too with furniture and all that sort of stuff. So I could take this image and put it into my assignment. Very, very simple to do. Once you're in the correct area, just click and then that will stop your perspective walkthrough. And then all you're going to do is come up to File, Save As, and then with your format change it to PDF, which mine already is, and that will produce a PDF of this screen only. You won't get any of your toolbars, just the image you're seeing now, and we can manipulate and do things with that later on. One thing worth noting is when you go to save your next project, make sure you're saving your project as a solo project, okay? So that's the actual job with all the levels and everything. If you only ever save it as a PDF, you'll just be doing a screen dump. So you need to save it as a solo project, but when you want to do a screen dump, that's when you use the PDF command and save it as a PDF. But the actual model and all the workings must be saved as a solo project.